Yes. The original question in the video was, why does something exist rather than nothing? But I think the third premise here states that something does exist, namely the universe. So I guess I'm a little confused. Are we answering that question, or why is it not logically possible that literally nothing exists, including God?
Because it does presuppose premise 3 that the universe exists. And so it is not the case that nothing exists. Premise 3 rules that out. And even if you say that the universe is an illusion, that still requires that you at least exist to have this illusion of the universe. So it seems to me that for any honest inquirer, it's undeniable that something exists. And then the rest of the argument will unfold from there. And the ultimate question as to why something exists rather than nothing is actually that the existence of nothing is impossible, because there is a metaphysically necessary being which exists by a necessity of his own nature, and therefore it is metaphysically impossible that there be nothing.